Hello everyone, welcome to Here to Learn, and today we will discuss on the topic Microsoft dismisses journalists, replace them with AI software. Microsoft has dismissed dozens of journalists and had replaced them with artificial intelligence software. The journalists who maintain the news homepage on Microsoft MSN website and the homepage on Edge browser have been told that they are no longer needed since robots can do their job now. 27 journalists employed by PA Media, earlier known as Press Association, were told that they would be losing their jobs in a month time after Microsoft took the decision to stop using humans to select, curate, and edit news articles on MSN and Edge homepage. The 27 employees were told that Microsoft's decision to end the contract with PA Media was taken at short notice as part of global shift away from humans in favor of automated updates for news. The decision to let software replace humans was a risky move as the journalists were careful about sticking to strict editorial guidelines that made sure that users coming to this homepage would not get to see violent or inappropriate content, particularly youngsters. For this journalist who has been fired, it is going to be a tough time right now since the industry across the globe has been dealing with extensive job cuts. PA Media itself has been facing difficulties. The company has to dismiss some staff and ask others to take pay cut. With this, I end the video and thank you for listening.